Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Steampunk Sallee from Hairdorables. So let's get started. To draw this cute steampunk inspired girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So come right across, nice and wide, so say about right here. And go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There, so a nice round bottom of a U in. And then from there, let's draw the eyes. So I'm going to come right next to this on the edge and draw a big circle. There, I got one in. Let's come right across and draw another one. So about right here, right next to the edge. There. So let's come back in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so I have these huge eyes in. Let's come up here and spruce it up with some lashes. So I'll come up right here and draw one curve, thicken it up, and then a smaller one at the bottom. So same thing over here. So one thick one at the top right here, curve it out, make it thicker, and then one more. And then she has these pretty thick brows, so I'll come above her eye, about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft arc, come down, and I'll just go ahead and thicken it up. So same thing over here. So right above her eye, about right here, soft arc, and thicken it up. There. And then let's give her a sweet smile, of course. So right in the center, about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and finish the rest of her face. So I'm just going to bring this up and I'll come to my center. So say about right here, just imagining an oval. So say about right here, I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to curve up and around and come right back to my point. So same thing over here. Go up slightly and come right back down. There, so now we have her face in. Let's come back right here where her eyes are and we're going to draw her ears. So come right here and pop out these ears right here, big curve. And then you can add a little earring right here. So we're just going to add a circle. And then some details, two curves. So same thing on the other side, just where her eyes are. But right here, nice big curve, come in, circle for earring, and then once again, the inside. Now to draw the top of her hair, let's come back to where her ears are. And we're just gonna go slightly at an angle right here. And we're just gonna go all the way up. So just build this curve, and I'm just going to give myself a point right here in the center, about right here. Say about right here, I'll go ahead and give myself a point. So it's just easier for me to know where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. So I'll just go ahead and come right back up to here and come down and bring it in. There. So as you notice, I didn't just go ahead and draw this big round curve across. I tried to just have these slight angles. I mean, it's still a curve, but you just want to kind of angle a little bit so that it doesn't just look like this big round dome right on top of her head. And that's the goal. So it makes it a little bit more realistic. Okay, so then from there, we can come in here and just bring out these curves right here. So all this part here makes sense for her hair. And maybe one over here. Just give some detail in the top. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to draw the rest of her hair later. We're going to have to work on her body first. Let's come to the center and give her a little neck right here and here. Do her a little neck that comes out. And then from there, I'm going to, I'm not going to round it off yet because she has these little poofy sleeves. So I'll just kind of imagine her armpits about right here and here. And I'll give myself a slight angle from here. There. Okay, so then now I kind of know what I'm working with. I'm going to come back right here and draw a curve for a neckline. And so right in this armpit area is where I'm going to draw her bodice. So it's going to curve right towards the center and come right back up. So then let's bring this down a little bit more. And about right there, I'll go ahead and connect it in the center with a curve and up. It's like the corset area, right? Because this is steampunk. Okay, so then from there, let's draw some details right here. I'm going to draw this strap right here. There's also like a million details on this doll. So I'm trying to simplify as much as possible and only draw the important things, hopefully. So let's come right here as well and draw two angles. From there, let's work on her skirt. So I'm going to come right here and pop out a big curve. And same thing here as well. And let's bring it down more. About right there. And then about in this area, I'm going to stop, and because there's this ruffle area in this skirt, so I'm going to come right here, draw one curve, same thing. I think I went down too low. So about right here, draw a curve, and then we're going to draw two curves, three curves I mean, so one, and then one right in the center, big one, and then same thing right here and connect. So just creating this little frame right here, and then we can go ahead and bring this skirt down a little bit more. So I'm popping it out. So if it's easier, you can just go ahead and finish this curve first. I just thought I'd just pop this out a little bit more without having to erase it. Okay, so I'm going to bring this down a bit more, so about right there and there, about the same level now, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So the center part is going to be the lowest and go right back up. There. Okay, so then from there, let's work on this part right here on this skirt. So it's like a I don't even know what you call it, the steampunk skirt. It's like a framework of the skirt. So I'm just going to draw a curve right across, right here, and then a curve right here, and here, and then one more here. So before I draw this one, this is going to be kind of in the same area as this. So let's come back right here in this crease area, and we're going to draw a curve right here, and here. So there's a strap right here that pulls this part of the skirt up. So then right here, just a little buckle, I guess. So I'll add that in. And so then now this continues kind of in the same area. So about right here. Draw another part of the frame. And here. Last one is one that goes across. So about right here. We're just kind of following the bottom. Lots of details, right? But this part is very important. We need to draw this part for sure. And across. There, so we've kind of like this framework of the skirt, right? So inside right here is where we're going to pop in her actual skirt underneath this framework. So it's still kind of like she's wearing a skirt, so about right here it's going to pop out. And I'm going to go across with a slight curve, slight wobble. So right here, just going to continue and go back up. So there's a skirt inside. Then we can finally draw her legs. So her hips and right here, center. I'm going to just give myself 2 lines to make it a little bit easier. And come right here. So hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. So just imagine this being overlapped. So if you're using a pencil, it'll definitely be easier. You can just draw through. Okay, so let's work on this leg. It's coming through and out. So there, now you can see what's going on, right? Hopefully. And through. Okay, there. Now let's draw her feet. So we're just gonna come about right here and we're gonna flare it out a tiny bit. So it's thinner at the bottom for ankles and then just flare it out. And connect. So same thing here. Out. And connect. And so then for some details, let's just add a little buckle right here that she has on her shoe. So like a square. And then connect. So same thing here. Square. And connect. There, okay. So then finally we can come back and draw some little bit more details. Let's come over here and draw her sleeves first. So right here we're just going to poof out her sleeve, come down. And about right here I'll bring it in. And connect, and then there's these ruffles. So pretty, right? So same thing here. So poof. And bring it in. And ruffles. And if you like, you can add some details right here. Just draw 2 crease lines. And then her hands. So nice and simple, but right here, following the body and then come out. And so her hands would be about right here. I'm just going to tuck them in. So same thing over here. Follow the body, come out. And about right here. Just tuck it in. So then there's more details right here. One very important one, we're going to draw 2 angle lines. Just follow your body and add a curve, and I'm going to add a strap. So there's 2 straps usually here, but I'm just going to add one because it's so small. But if you have enough room, definitely draw 2 straps in there. And then let's see here. There's some, what I forgot to draw was there's some ruffles actually on this part of the skirt. If you like, you can add that. Right across. And let's see. I think that's pretty much it. Okay, so for her outfit. So then of course, let's draw her hair. This is what Hairdorables are all about. It's the gorgeous long hair. So I'll start right here in the ear and I'll just curve all the way down. Very curly hair. So say about right here. And I'll bring it all the way down to about right here. Nice and long. There. Lots of hair, right? So then when you're coloring it, because I don't want to muddle with a Sharpie, you can just follow these curves and draw some strands of blue in her hair, because her hair is blue and white. And other than that, of course, let's see here. We can add, where should we add a heart? You know what? Let's put it right here, since I have a little bit of room. So now it's my Steampunk Sallee from Hairdorables dolls. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.